Have you ever wondered, should I say speak English or talk English? What about say and tell? These four words confuse millions of English learners, but after today's lesson, you will know exactly when to use each one. Let's begin. Part 1 is say. Let's start with say. Say focuses on the words that someone speaks. Examples: I said hello. She said thank you. He said he was busy. Notice something? After say, we usually don't mention the listener. Now, see the sentences. She said me. This is wrong. Correct is she said I'm sorry. Easy trick. Say means words. Now, let's learn tell. Tell focuses on the person who receives the information. Examples: she told me the truth. Please tell your parents. Tell him to wait. Notice after tell we usually mention someone. Easy trick. Tell plus person is. Now comes with speak. Speak is more formal. Examples: I speak English. She speaks French. May I speak to the manager? We usually speak for languages or formal conversations. Next is talk. Now talk. Talk is informal. It's used for conversations. Examples: let's talk. We talked for 2 hours. Can I talk to you? Friends usually talk. Bosses often speak. Now let's do a quick comparison. Let's compare. Say means focus on words. I said goodbye. Tell means focus on listener. I told my friend. Speak means languages and formal situations. I speak English. Talk means friendly conversation. We talked yesterday. Now let's see the common mistakes of daily lives. Tell something. Tell someone something. Say me. Tell me. Talk English. Speak English. Speak with my best friend all night. Talk with my best friend all night. Let's revise. Say means words. Tell means person. Speak means language, formal. Talk means conversation. Now comment below which word confused you the most. If the lesson helped you, like, subscribe. I will see you in episode 3. Bye bye.